Staying in the shade with a sun hat in the middle of August, it's worth noting that during this month, it's still much too hot. Whether or not you garden according to the lunar calendar, here are the tasks you can do in your garden. Just a quick reminder, in the lunar calendar, there are fruit days, root days, flower days, and leaf days. All right, let's start with the fruit days. Remove the diseased leaves from the tomatoes, prune the pumpkins, melons, red curry squash and short, all the running squashes. Budding grafts can be done on apple trees, pear trees, and plum trees. Collect seeds from non-hybrid tomatoes. And it's time to plant new strawberry plants to ensure a plentiful harvest next spring. Now let's move on to root days, which are for everything that grows on the ground. The potatoes have made way for other vegetables, especially sowing turnips and winter radishes. If you thin out the young red beets sown last month, it's not too late to transplant them. As for flower days, there's still time to plant or divide irises, daylilies, and herbaceous peonies. These are flowers that require almost no care for next spring. If you sow, as in July, pansies, violas, wallflowers, and daisies, if you know how to bud graft, now is the right time to turn a wild rose into a rose bush. What could be easier than taking cuttings of pelargoniums and fuchsias right now? All right, let's finish with the leaf days. Thin out the escarole, chicories, and transplant them sow charred as you did last month, always on firm soil. Sow and transplant lettuces just like last month. All right, here we go again. From now on, you can trim all the hedges. The birds have generally finished nesting. So, want to know more? Check out our other videos on the influences of the moon and the lunar calendar at rustica.fr, and of course in your Rustica magazine.